So, we just took a test that looked like this. Do you guys remember taking this test? Okay. So I want to help you guys, and I don't know if you can disagree with me. I thought that there's a few people in this test that really thought this test was hard. Did you guys think this test was hard?
No.
Maybe a little bit, not really? No? Okay. Well, I am teaching you this strategy to help you with all these problems, because these problems all have an unknown number, right? So there's a yeah, well that's the trick here. Okay. So our strategy today is using tens frames. So how many blocks are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So I made sure all of these problems equal 10. Now does that mean that every problem you see is always going to equal 10? No. But this is just our strategy for today. So I want you guys to see how I did this, and then we'll use different numbers. If that makes sense. So what I'm going to do, here's a couple here, sweetie. If I have 8 plus blank equals 10, let's see, this is the thing. This is easy, but you don't know, sir. It's going to get harder. So I'm going to take the, well, I'm trying. Well, I don't know if you can drag it with the marker, but I'll just drag it over here for a sec. So you can take the dots. How many should I fill in, do you think?
8.
Yes, 8, because I have 10 squares, but I only know 8. So I'm going to fill in 8 of these first, okay? As soon as I have 8 blue checks, I'm going to move over to green and fill in the remaining with my green. Yeah, so once I fill in the 8, which you know, I'm going to fill in the blank spots with the rest. Does this tell us our answer?
Yes.
2. So 8 plus 8 plus 2 equals 10. This is easy because you already have the numbers. You already have 10 spaces, and you already know 8, right? So now it's easy to find your answer, because all you have to do is move the greens into the blank spots. The blank spaces are your answer, right? Yeah, well, actually, I'm going to have you guys, oh, you could, well, yeah. Josh, well, you can't reach this one, but I'm going to have you guys do the other ones. See? The smart board is just confusing. Okay, so Josh, you want to come do this one? Let's make sure that these are, I wonder if it moved. Yeah, everyone will get a chance to do this, I promise. Josh, if you want to do it on the computer. Well, you know what? I'll just call people. So just hold your horses. Everyone will get to do one, okay? So you click on a check. So I click on this, and I drag. Click on this, drag it over. So Josh knows that there's 10 of these blank squares. How many are you going to fill in with blue checks, Josh? 6, because he already knows that number. There you go. So he has 4,
2 more.
5, and 6. Now, how many blank spots are there?
4.
4 blank spots.
So you put them in green.
Put them in green. And now is 4 our answer?
Yes.
Yes, right? Is this an easy way to find an unknown number? Do you think so?
Yes.
Okay, I thought this would be helpful. So we'll do a few more.
16 minus 5.
Yay, thank you, Josh.
11.
There you go. So, now we have 3 plus what equals 10? You're going to start with your tens, your 10 frame, and then I'm going to have Selena. Do you want to come and do this one? Okay. Selena, come up here and use the computer. You click on a check. How many blue checks is Selena going to put in the, how many, Aisha? 3. How many, Tyrese? How many? 3. Okay. Now wait, hold on, Selena. She already has 3. Do you guys know our answer?
Yeah.
Yes. How many green checks is she going to fill in? How many empty boxes are there, Emily?
6.
Good. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So go ahead and put the green ones in. And so that's our answer, right? 3 plus 7 equals 10.
7 plus 3 is 10, so you can put the bigger number first, even though that number is the 10.
Yeah, you could. Do you see how this represents, how this, well, look at this one real quick while she finishes that one. Do you see how we have 6 blues and 4 greens, and they equal 10 altogether? So this, they mirror each other. This represents this. Does that make sense, Terry's? Because you guys are going to do this all on your lonesome in just a moment here.
6 minus 5 was 11. Oh, I'm happy.
Nice. Alrighty, so. Yeah, you can write the answer down. And actually, Josh, you want to write that one down? You guys take turns. Well, don't ask me to go next. I'll tell you.
Oh.
Oh, no.
I can't reach it.
Oh,
I can't
hold on. Technology problems. That's okay, honey. Just keep going. We know it's being weird.
This goes super high.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Wait, what was the answer?
Right here, sweetie. Well, I don't. How many green checks?
4.
You know what, honey? Can I just do it so we can move on?
Oh, wow.
I know, the computer's being like a stink bug. I don't know what it's doing. So let's just. 4, 7. Well, remember, we're not going to ask me. Okay? I'm not sure. Well, I would, but we have 21 sticks in our cup. I'll just be pulling sticks all day until I find your name, right? So raise your hand if you have not gone yet. So only 2 people? Okay, so Kristen, can you do 10 plus what equals 1? So you're going to click on a check and move it over.
Well, that's me.
So, think in your head what this might be. What is she going to do? How many blue checks is she going to move into her 10 frame? Think about it. Actually, put your number behind your back with your hands. Being weird, Kristen? It's okay, honey.
Yes.
Oh, because you're clicking the center thing. You click that. That's the right one. So don't click the center thing. You're still moving the center thing. Now drag it over. There you go. Alright, put your fingers up. How many blue checks does she put in there? 1, right, Aisha? Okay. How many green checks is she going to put in? So 1 blue check, right? That's okay. So
First one, I wonder, was this marker?
So she says, throw that blue one away, and she's got, you can do the last one. And she's going to put in 9, what, finish up the last 3. 9 green checks. Does that make sense? We have a tens frame. 1 plus 9 greens equal 10. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes, Josh? Okay. Do you guys need another practice problem, or are you ready to move on to individual work? I want 3 fingers if you're like, all right, Miss Ellie, I'm going to rock and roll this worksheet. 2 fingers if you're like, eh. 1 more example. 1 finger if you're like, woo, you need to slow down. 3, 3, 3, 2, 3. What are you, Tyrese? 3. Aisha, I will help you with this worksheet then, one-on-one, okay? Can you, well, go ahead, okay, go ahead, run to the bathroom, be quick. Thank you, Kristen. So, guess what? Does this look exactly like what we just did on the board?
Yeah.
This is gonna, if you already know the answer to this unknown, that's wonderful, but you still need to fill out the tens frame.
Can we, at least numbers up there?
Well, can you sit down, wait so Tyrese can see? So if I have, well, we just did this one, 1 plus blank equals 10, I'm going to put, well, you need colored pencils or crayons. I'm going to color 1 dot in the say pink, and the rest are going to be colored in purple, right? Okay, so here is, we'll use markers. You only need 2 colors, so if you have 5 colors in front of you, I'm concerned. Well, okay, so Aisha, honey. Whoa, we don't need everyone's hands in there at once. Aisha, can you wait? You go, sweetie.
Thank you.
You go, Josh.
No, they'll look at me up here. Not today.
Oh. Well, you guys are going to share the partner eventually anyway. Oh,
No, nobody else will see.
well, Aisha, can you move away from Josh? I don't care really where you go. I want you guys to do it on your own,
But
and then we'll
pencil.
share.
I'm doing a pencil.
Well, you can use marker to write the number. I don't mind. So you're going to get 2 different colors, and we're going to fill this in just like we did up here. So Selena, if there's 1 plus blank equals 10, you're going to color in 1 dot and say pink, and the rest are going to be in light green, right? And friends, there's 1 problem on the back. Do not do the challenge problems. That's to challenge you.
I want a challenge.
Oh, I'm going to give you a challenge.
What about our name?
You could, well, I don't know. What do you think? Well, you can do it in pen, but you should probably put your name on it.
Do you want a sandwich?
Or in marker. I don't care what you do about the name thing. What, hun?
Do you want a sandwich with a knuckle?
Oh, you goofball.
It's a little trick I did on my dad.
You are. But. What are you focused on? What are you focused on? So what's your answer? How many groups? Well, how many groups do you know? One, two, three, four, five, six, 8, 9. Did you count all your blue squares? Yep, 1 plus 9 equals 10. Does that make sense? Let's do this one. So Terry's, these are 10s. Are you done, huh? You have a question. You're all, wow. Did you do the 1 question on the back? Okay, wait, let me see it real quick. Holy smokes, you're a star. Yep, there's 1 on the back. Okay. So Terry's. You have to do the 1 question on the back. There's 1 that's not a challenge. If there's a 1 in this problem, you put 1 dot, right? Do I color 1 more? Do I color 1 green or should I color the rest green? The rest. I was just saying the rest green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's my answer? 9. Okay, so Kristen and Emily, can you get together and compare answers now that you're both done? Are you done? Selena, where are you at, hon? On the first one? Okay. Can you, is, okay, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Josh, I'm going to partner you with Aisha, is that okay?
Okay. Well, she's already my writing partner, so.
Awesome. So as soon as she's done, you guys are checking your answers with each other. What, how many black dots should I color? Well, it's the 10s range, so you are looking at this. How many dots should I color? What should I do? How many colors?
Okay, so we have to put 8 in, but instead of colors, we have to put
How many colors? done, you can compare your answers with Tyrese then. Well, Josh, if your partner doesn't have the same answer as you, we're not telling them the answer, right? So maybe help her strategize. You girls got the right answer? Awesome. Okay. What I want you to do, keep your clipboards. Yes, it is. Okay, is this a strategy that could work for you on that test? Okay. Put these back in your clipboards. I want you to do not do the challenge problem. Talk to each other about how you might do it. And then maybe you guys will come back with comments for answers for us. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots? Now, you already colored an 8. You're going to color the rest in green, right? So, color the rest in green. How many green dots do you have? So, there you go, that's your answer. So, what are you going to write? That's your answer. I come back to 6. How many dots? You know what, honey? But I'm asking you to finish 3 problems. If you can finish these 3, but you've already done 2, then you're good. You need to at least do that one. That's my expectation, okay? By the time I come back, are you done? No. Whoa, no. There's no one else here to eat snack with. You're done? Let me see, Josh. Did you guys check answers with each other? Do you understand, Aish? So did you understand? Okay, so did Josh help you decide that maybe that was right? I mean, you did these ones. Well, yeah, honey, I want you to do this problem. I want you to do on the back. Only that one problem. Then we'll move on to the challenge soon. Oh, you know what, sweetie? Don't take your time coloring all the boxes. Just do dots. Because I want to see that you can do it. You have very pretty work, but don't worry about that right now. So just, if you don't mind, just make them dots. So I know you don't need to finish coloring. Perfect. Awesome. So what's your answer? How many blue dots? Yep. Awesome. Okay. Well, you're going to start by putting 2 yellow dots and you're going to color in the rest in blue, right? Alright, that works, Josh. Now that, okay, so you both got that. So what's the answer? 2. The answer is 2? 8. You colored in 2 yellow dots. And you colored the rest in blue. What does the rest equal? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, honey, but you know, I want to make sure you understand. That's the point. You know what, I think enough of you are ready for the challenge. We're going to do the challenge real quick and then we'll go back to the front, okay?
I know all of these are. Me too.
So Selena, can you finish this one for me real quick so we can go on to the challenge? If you're ready for the challenge, come on up. Tyrese, you don't have to do the challenge, but I want you to go do this one. Okay? Okay, let's go look at your thing real quick. So, you have 5 here. You colored in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green dots. Now you're going to color in the rest of the boxes, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's your answer? Well, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 dots are this number. The rest, well, this number. So what is that number? Does 5 plus 5 equal 10? Then your answer makes sense, right? Yes, exactly. We'll work on that again in a second. All right, challenge problem. Flip your paper over. So, here's my question for you, big eyes up here for the challenge. Selena, can you come meet us up here, honey? Because you know what? And bring your paper, you'll finish the rest later, okay? If I have a problem, like the first one, 15 plus length equal, but you know what? If I have a problem that equals 20, should I use 1 tens frame? Why does that not make sense? Because it equals 20. It doesn't equal 10, right, Emily? Exactly. So, if you look on your sheet, guess what? I gave you 2 tens frames, which equals... If you have 2 tens frames, it equals 20. See how our problems equal 20? So, for the first one, 15 plus blank equals 20. How many dots should I color in first? Kristen? 15. Go ahead and color in 15 dots in your first color. Tyrese, honey, by the end of this challenge problem, I'm going to check your paper. Yeah, exactly. You shouldn't, just poke them, make little dots. How, so that only looks like 10 to me. Do you have to use both frames?
Yes.
Yeah, because you need 20, right? You need 20 frames, or 20 boxes in your frames. So you should have 15, so, 15 boxes. You're going to use both of these, because you have 20. Perfect. Yep, and then how many do you have left?
Well, 5.
5, so is that your answer?
Yes.
All right. So Josh, how many do you have left? Manisha, how many do you have left? So is that your answer? There you go. Go ahead and fill in the rest with your other color. Your answer is in yellow, so it's yours. So now that you understand that one, try the second challenge problem on your own. I would come around and check it.
I know what it is.
What? Do it anytime soon, don't tell. So, real quick. Oh, perfect. But can you put a dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Put it in blue so I know that you know how to do that. So Aisha, go ahead and try this one on your own. You have 20 boxes here. I already know that there's 8. So how many dots are you going to make it first? So, go ahead, show me how you do that. Awesome. That's exactly how you would do it. So if you want to flip over and continue doing the front, you can, because you understand. What? Oh, there's only 2 pages. Wonderful. So you, okay.
I kind of made that one, so.
Okay. Well, I don't know. How many do you have in? You have 8 filled in. Now, what are you going to do with your other color? Is this your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, your answer is how many filled in left? Just turn your paper into me when you think you are done. What? It was easy. Well, okay, so if it was easy, so if you see problems on your test that equal 10 or 20, is this an easy way to do it?
Yeah.
Yes, because guess what? There is. So this is a technique that you could be using to pass that unit test. Exactly. Tyrese, I'm going to help you in 1 second, honey. You want to do the test now? Oh, man, I love your motivation. That's wonderful. Yes. Can I keep it? Okay. That's wonderful. So, this is one strategy. We're going to learn many more, okay? So if this strategy doesn't work for you, that's okay, because we're going to learn more strategies after this, okay? Okay. U5, Josh, did you hear what I said? U5 can go down to the media center and join your class, Okay.
What's that one with the formula? Wait, I forgot to put my markers in.
You want to sit at the table? You want to sit at your desk? Or you want to sit there? You want to. That's okay, so can I help you stand to me? So, we have 10 right here, right? All these problems are going to equal to these. They all equal. What do they all equal? They equal 9? What do they all equal? You can count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They all equal 10. That's why we're using a 10s frame. Okay? You know that there's 5. So how many boxes are you going to put a dot on to start? How many boxes are you going to put a dot on to start? You know that there's 5 in the problem categories. Let's look up here. We knew that there was 8. So how many boxes did we put dots on? 8. Up here, we knew that there was 1. So how many boxes did we put a dot on to start? 1. So down here, if we know that there's 5, how many dots are we going to put on the box to start? 5. So we're going to dot 5 boxes. Can you do that? Awesome. So, how many boxes are left? That's your answer. Right there, honey. That's perfect. Does that make sense? Does 5 plus 5 equal 10? Yes or no? Yes? Perfect. So, let's do one more. We have 6 plus blank equals 10. We already have our 10s frame. So the other number we know is 6. How many boxes are you going to put a dot in to start? 6. That's okay, sweetie. Perfect. Now, how many boxes do you have left? Is that your answer? There you go. You rocking it out, hon. We do one more. You're doing so good. The last one, I promise. I didn't this one. Last one. Okay. So. Here we go. Blank plus 2 equals 10. Already have our 10s frame, right? So the other number we know is 2. How many boxes are we going to put up? That's okay, it's always real here, right? How many boxes are we going to put up? There you go, go ahead and do it, hon. Now, how many boxes do we have left? Is that your answer? There you go. Does this make sense, or do you want me to help you think of this one more time? Are you fully covered? Show me your fingers. You do? Awesome. Okay. Ready for the jump from now? Oh, you're ready to rock and roll. Look at you go. Woo, Tiger. Oops, how many are left? You already did 16, right? That's okay, so how many are left? That's okay. Yes, rock it out. Okay. That's this only equals 10, then you go right over it. Because it equals 20. It's 12, right? Awesome. Awesome. Darius, you're rocking that out, bud. That's so sweet. I'm so proud of you. This is so cool. Can I show him this browser? Can you so impressed with you? Did you have it on the media center? Alright. Awesome job. I am so proud. Alright. Joey, I can put this away too if you like. Woo! Tyrese! Alright, sweetie. Go have fun in the media center. I'll see you down there, okay?